uma uthi emhlabeni siphilela imali before imali ibe khona shuthi kwakuphilelwa ilutho
okubele ukuzalana abantu
impilo leyo
yeah
yabo kwakuphilelwana kanti mawukuthi uthi siphilela imali or imali ekujabulisa shuthi ama ancestors wethu okhokho nokhokho mohlehle babengazi bajabule babejabuliswa yini ngeke imali mawukuthi siphilela imali babephilelani ngeke imali
yeah
yabo imali is how we make it's how we lubricate impilo yabo we make impilo run smooth ngayo imali but it's not the main thing yabo it's not the main thing
isisekelo sempilo
yes yabo khona impilo like uShaka Zulu kwengaza uphatha u10,000 yabo
yeah
angicabanga ukuthi ayiphatha into eyimali yabo but kwenayo yonke le power namanje sisakhuluma ngayo kule podcast yabo
yeah
so ukuzitshela ukuthi imali and kunolo kusho kanje uthi hayi ngikhuluma nje because I've never had a lot of it yabo but if you are sober minded and ungabelongi kwi-system ngendlela yokucabanga you will realize ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi imali is how we make things convenient yabo impilo is deeper than imali mfethu that's why umuntu uthola ukuthi usenayo yonke but they still feel that void enhlizweni yabo